This is my normal desoldering arsenal. My Weller pencil soldering iron, my Weller Magnastat, radio spares solder suckers with worn out nozzle, and solder braid, and a cup of tea. Only I've drunk it. But I'm going to replace them today with this, a powered desoldering sucker. Well, here we have it. I might show you. I could do a picture of the box up there, but it was in too bad a state to bring up into the room. So just open it up and see what we get. A no expenses spared stand, a UK fused plug moulded on with all the right qualifications stamped on it by the look of it. Don't know how long the lead is. Let's have a look. That's got to be a meter lead length. And sorry about the noises. It's going to take a while to work out the best way of holding the stand or the best position for it. And it works like a normal solder sucker. Super high vacuum force, compact design, simple operation. Melts and removes solder quickly and easily. Plunger has a plastic shroud for added safety. And it looks like a proper CE mark, not the China export. And if anyone wants to look, it's a ZD211 professional desoldering pump. Made by Duratool. Let's see if I can get a better, if anyone wants a still to look at that. Cleaning, lift handle slightly in direction of button and remove from grip. Right, I suppose we should plug it on. Sorry, plug it in and see how long. Meant to say, let's see how long it will take for it to warm up to get to the point where it melts solder. It's getting warm. While it's heating up, let's find something to play with. Some old school electronics, which is part of a well, what was a CB radio, but I gutted it for parts. It's taking a long time to warm up. Maybe I'll have to time it. Oh no, there it goes. So give it a bit of a tin. Plunger down. Oh, the plunger's in a bit of a far away. So find something to desolder. Pick a point at random. Capacitor. it's a bit cack-handed. But need to hang on a sec. Move things around. So let's try something else, another big capacitor. So it's not until I work out a way of plugging it in nearer. The lead is quite heavy. So it's but all I can say at the moment is it's making getting these capacitors out a doddle. So it's only going to be a relatively short, quick video. But find something else. What's buried in there? It's difficult to find the pins. The capacitors are easier to find. How about that transistor? Which could be those. I do apologise for the filming, but I would say, you know, just placing it over the joint, giving it a waggle, and press the button. Well, the Duratool DO1849 soldering iron. I don't know if I do a American version. This is a 220/240 AC version, 40 watts, made in China, and I think it's a good one. Well worth the investment, which I think was only about £8, and I think I paid an extra 99p for a spare nozzle. And as you can see, I bought it from CPC in the UK, which is a subsidiary of Farnell, and I think it gets a thumbs up. Now to let it cool down and work out how to get the body off. For those playing along at home, if you're interested, it's about 11 inches long, or in new money about 28 centimeters. The top part is about the same size and shape as an old-fashioned solder pump, but you of course got the end here. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, click on the subscribe button, click on the like, click on like and subscribe, it all helps. Click on the notification bell. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay safe.